Today we're going to be running a chi-squared test for homogeneity. We're being asked this question: is political party breakdown the same for high school and college students? So our null hypothesis would be political party breakdown is the same for high school and college students. Your alternative would be that it's not the same. Now, let's check our conditions first. We have two random samples of 100 high school students and 100 college students. So that works out. Now let's check our 10% condition. We have 10 times 100 is 1,000 for both groups. And this would be less than all high school students. And this is obviously less than all college students. Our final check would be that your expecteds are all greater than 5, which is the case. But if we were to check that, remember that you check that by row total times column total divided by table total. So in this case, if we wanted to find the expected there, that would be 100 times 85 divided by 200. So 100 times 85 divided by 200 gets us, for that particular cell, that would get us 42.5. And you could check all of those on your calculator when you use chi-squared test. We'll also put your expecteds into matrix B if that's where you set them to go. So if you want to do that, you can. Now finding our chi-squared test statistic, we want the sum of all of our observed minus expected squared divided by expecteds. So for that particular cell right there, we would have 38 minus 42.5 squared divided by 42.5. You would do that for all of them. And if you would do that, or you, like I said, we could use chi-squared test on our calculators as long as you are familiar with the matrices. You get a chi-squared value of 1.87, and it yields a p-value of 0.393. So if at the beginning we were to have set our alpha value at 0.05, our conclusion would be that we fail to reject H naught since 0.393 is greater than 0.05. We do not have evidence that political party breakdown is different for high school versus college students. So there you have it, a full chi-squared test for homogeneity.